Hey guys, it's your Tech Kuya Jam Mancheta, and today we're gonna unbox and take a closer look at this smartphone, and it's the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. Yes, this is the best smartphone na meron ngayon si Samsung, and it will be available by March 6. So I'm not sure if you're watching this right now kung available na ba siya or hindi, but it's March 6, 2020, and I'm really excited to unbox this one. But before we talk about the specifications, and of course bago natin i-unbox, be sure to subscribe to our channel. So click that subscribe button and click that bell button to get notified sa latest videos dito sa Jam Online YouTube channel. So what can we expect dito sa Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G? So the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra comes with an Exynos 990 octa-core processor, a 6.9-inch Quad HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2 display with 120Hz refresh rate, 12 GB of RAM, 128 GB of internal storage. There's a 108-megapixel main camera that is capable of 100 times zoom. We also got a 40-megapixel selfie camera. It's 5G ready. We got a 5,000 mAh of battery, and it's running on Android 10 with One UI. Basically, all the biggest numbers that you can expect sa isang smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G has that. 108 megapixel, Exynos 990, ano sabi pa dito? 100x zoom at lahat ng kailangan sa smartphone. I think this is one of the best smartphones right now in the market when it comes to white paper. So, what are we waiting for? So, let's unbox and let's take a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. Alright guys, so you're looking at the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. So, time to unbox. So, unang-una pa lang makikita na natin dito the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. So yeah, huwag niyo pansinin yung barcode sa likod. This is a unit from Samsung Philippines. So yeah, let's remove all the stickers at the back of the smartphone. There we go. That's a clean look on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, but we're gonna talk about that later. So meron tayong box dito sa taas. It contains the quick start guide and also a free jelly case on the smartphone. Of course, we also got here the pin for the card tray. So this one comes with a 25 watts fast charger, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and a USB-C AKG earphones with different sizes para sa earbuds nyo. So yeah, you've seen everything dito sa Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. Now let's talk about the smartphone again. In case you're not familiar about the smartphone, nagkamera na tayo ng hands-on before back in San Francisco during the launch of the smartphone. So do check out our video. Nandun yung link sa baba. So check that out. But yeah, this is the first time na mahawakan natin si S20 Ultra 5G na fresh from the box. So what are we waiting for? Pag-usapan naman natin ang smartphone na to after natin linisin everything yung nandito sa box. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, the best of the Samsung Galaxy smartphone series. And yes, it's kind of pricey at 69,990, but again, you're getting the best features na makukuha nyo sa isang Android smartphone. We got a 108 megapixel smartphone camera, a 120Hz display on a large 6.9-inch display. It's a dynamic Super AMOLED 2X display. It's a really cool display. And of course, it's the best Samsung Galaxy S20 smartphone. So, by just looking at it, mapapansin nyo na, oh my God, the camera module of the back of the smartphone, it's very big. I'm not kidding. It's really large na halos sinasakop niya na yung upper part ng smartphone. So as you can see here, we got here the quad camera setup on the smartphone with the main 108 megapixel camera. As you can see here, we got here the 100x zoom. I'm not sure if you could see that clearly, but there's the 100x space zoom that is written in here. We got here the periscope camera lens. That camera enables you to zoom up to 100 times. It's an amazing feature. The periscope style lens isn't the first one sa isang smartphone, but it's nice to see that Samsung has finally adopted the periscope style lens. And yes, the 100 times zoom, I think this is the best one and the farthest one na pwedeng i-zoom na isang smartphone ngayon. Yes, it's a 108 megapixel camera, but most of the shots that you're taking is actually a 12 megapixel ones kasi there's a feature called non-binning in which the smartphone actually compresses that 108 megapixel into 12 megapixel shot para mas compress and mas maganda yung colors, ang lighting, and also yung sharpness ng isang image na kinukuha nyo. It's a really cool feature and I applaud that Samsung has finally did that dito sa Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. Just like the other flagship smartphones of Samsung, this one comes with a glass na back along dito sa unahan, but for the first time actually in the Galaxy S20 series, actually since the Samsung Galaxy S8, we now have a 2.5D glass on the bigger variant or yung flagship model nila. So whether you're getting the S20, the S20 Plus, or even the S20 Ultra 5G, you're getting a 2.5D glass. So wala na yung curved display. Actually, for me, it isn't a bad thing. The dynamic AMOLED 2X display of the smartphone is still good. The colors are really nice. As you can see here, it's a 120Hz display. It's a really nice display. And again, I'm not being biased here, pero again, Samsung has won the best display talaga pagdating sa smartphones. They're really the king when it comes to smartphone display. Ang ganda talaga ng display ng Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. So nasabi ko sa inyo na sobrang kapal ng camera module niya sa likod. You can see that it's very thick at the back. And hindi lang yun yung makapal. Actually, the smartphone itself is medyo makapal. But thanks to the curves dito sa side and curves all around the smartphone, it actually helps sa grip and ergonomics sa smartphone. It's actually pretty easy to hold and wala naman ako nagiging problema sa paghawak sa kanya. Also, may kasama naman tayong case dito sa Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. So hindi ako masyado mag-aalala when it comes dito sa smartphone na all glass. Sa ilalim, we still got here the USB-C along with the speaker grill, but unlike the Samsung Galaxy S10 series, we do not have the headphone jack dito sa smartphone na to. On the right side, we got here the power button and also the volume rocker. And of course, sa taas, we got here the card tray. And again, it's all glass sa likod. Medyo malaki yung camera, but malinis pa rin siya sa akin tignan. Although yung mga available na colors dito sa Samsung Galaxy S20 is a little bit disappointing. Medyo nakulangan ako sa color opening sila dito sa Samsung Galaxy S20 series. Dito sa unahan, we still got here the fingerprint scanner. It's an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. It's still as fast as the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Wala masyadong pinagkaiba sa akin. But as you can see here, the display, again, hindi na siya curved. It's a 2.5D glass. Despite the lack of curved display, maganda pa rin siya tignan. And we got here an Infinity O display similar to the Samsung Galaxy Note and Note 10 Plus. But this time, we got here a curvier side. So one of the biggest na pinakaiba na talaga ng Galaxy S series sa Galaxy Note is that the Galaxy Note is actually blockier or it has a squarish design, while the Samsung Galaxy S series or this one, the S20, has a curvier design. It's not a bad thing, pero mas prefer ko pa rin yung squarish design ni Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. The 40-megapixel selfie camera is over here, and despite that, manipis lang or maliit lang yung Infinity O display or the punch hole display, punch hole camera dito sa smartphone na to. And again, ang ganda ng colors na nakuha natin. If you're worried about the brightness, actually hindi pa to max. When you max it out, makikita nyo na, oh my God, ang ganda ng display ng smartphone na to. It's the best display that I've seen on a smartphone. So yes, hindi pa rin nagdi-disappoint si Samsung pagdating sa display. When it comes to software, as you can see here, it's still running on One UI, but this one is on the latest One UI. So this one is running on One UI 2.1 based on Android 10. We still have here the applications that you need. We got Gallery, the Galaxy Store, the Play Store, Google. Of course, we got here some Microsoft applications, and makikita nyo naman, everything is here dito sa Samsung Galaxy S20 and S20 Ultra 5G. If you're worried about the camera, well, the camera is pretty much the same as before. So yan, the UI of the smartphone is very similar to the previous generation. We got here the motion photo, we got here the 4:3 ratio na pwede natin baguhin to 40 megapixel, but I prefer using it na ganito para magamit natin yung nabining na feature. And of course, we got here the flash. So for video, we can finally record at 8K, which is one of the best features of the smartphone. And if you ask me, ang ganda ng 8K feature. Although, hindi siya ganun kaganda pagdating sa quality. I mean, yes, maganda yung quality ng photos na kuha natin. But with 8K video, mapapansin may konting jello na mga shots dito. Although, I think baka i-improve pa ni Samsung yon. Hopefully, improve pa nila yon. And of course, we got here the super steady mode. And this one is the one of the best steady mode na meron si Samsung. One of the features that I love dito sa smartphone na to. And of course, we got here the single take photo. Basically, we're gonna take a single photo. mga 10-second video siya or 10-second photo, and then kukuha siya ng mga video sa gusto nyo, kukuha siya ng mga shots na gusto nyo, may filter, may loop, and everything that you need. You can check that out dun sa previous hands-on natin na Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. So one of the best features of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G is the camera. Again, 108 megapixel camera, and of course, 100 times space zoom. Actually, hindi ko mapakita sa inyo yung mga shots ko ngayon kasi kakabukas ko lang nito, but I'm gonna show you some of the shots that I took using the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. So you saw the shots using the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. As you can see, it's very sharp. The colors are really good. One of the best cameras that I've seen, pero hindi pa yun yung full story dito sa Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G because this one can do 100 times space zoom. Actually, I'm gonna demo it to you right now kung ano bang capabilities ng Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G pagdating sa 100 times space zoom. Start record. So you're looking right now at the smartphone's screen, pero bubuksan natin yung camera muna and makikita niyo yung photo dito. Yes, I'm taking a photo of my camera, and then of course gamitin natin 0.5 times zoom. There we go, that's 0.5x. But once I use the telephoto lens of the smartphone, nakikita nyo, wow, okay, 5 times. That is amazing. But how about 10 times? Okay, pwede pa tayo mag-zoom ng 10 times. Pero pwede pa tayo mag-zoom, guys. Pwede pa tayo mag 30 times zoom dito sa smartphone na to. As you can see here, nababasa ko na yung aperture and also the lens that I'm using. And the best one dito, gamitin natin yung 100 times zoom ng smartphone. So yeah, it's not the best shots na makikita nyo sa isang 100 times zoom, but it's really nice to see that we have a feature like this. I doubt na gagamitin nyo siya masyado, but in my experience with the Huawei P30 Pro that has a 50 times zoom, I use it most of the time pag kukuha ko ng shots like, okay, kukuha ko muna ng shot yung menu na nandun sa malayong restaurant para hindi na ako maglakad. Basically, tamad moves. But if I want to take like, gusto ko talaga ng mga shots na malayo, I just want to take a photo, it's not really clear, but it's nice to see na may ganun ako shots. It's the best camera that I've been using na nagamit ko, that I've used the S20 Ultra when it comes to zoom. It's the best one pag may mga concerts, may mga pupuntahan ako events na kailangan ng malayong zoom. So it's really nice to see na may ganitong features si Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. So yeah, I guess that's it for our unboxing and hands-on of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So click that subscribe button along with that bell button to get notified of the latest videos dito sa Jam Online YouTube channel. So yes, we're getting a good design, a solid design. Yes, it's a big camera, but for some people like me, I'm not really bothered na ganito kapal siya sa camera module. But yeah, pag simula titignan mo lang, pero you'll get used to it. Actually, parang sa dali ko palang ginamit, parang okay, fine, may camera akong malaki, pero maganda yung camera, so hindi naman problema pag ginamit ko yung camera. Kasi maganda naman yung camera shots na nakuha dito, lalo na meron tayo 100 times space zoom, di ba? Tapos, meron pa tayo dito napakagandang display at 6.9-inch display. Yes, it's big, but the thing here is that the colors are really good. 2.5D glass na siya, so better siya for gaming for me kasi wala ng curves and everything. So yeah, I guess that's it for the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. So maraming salamat guys sa panonood and see you guys again sa susunod na video.